Only a life lived in the service to others is worth living. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about the 7th Catholic Patriarch of the East Indies and 35th Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman. Yes, he is no other than Archbishop of Goa and Daman, Father Filipe Neri Ferrão. So let's know more about him in detail. Father Filipe Neri Ferrão was born on 28 Jan 1953 in Aldona, Goa. He began his religious studies in Seminary of Our Lady in Saligao and then went to Papal Seminary in Pune. He is graduated in philosophy and theology. Father Filipe Neri Ferrão was ordained as a priest on 20th October 1979. Later, on 20th December 1993, he was appointed as the Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman. Auxiliary bishop means a bishop who is assigned to assist the diocesan bishop in meeting the pastoral and administrative needs of the diocese. The following year, on 10th April 1994, he was appointed as the titular bishop of Menoriono. A titular bishop means a bishop who is not in charge of a diocese. Then, on 12th December 2003, he was appointed as the Patriarch of the East Indies and Archbishop of Goa and Daman after the resignation of Archbishop Raul Nicalu Gonçalves. In 2006, he was appointed as Metropolitan Archbishop of Goa and Daman by Pope Benedict XVI. Metropolitan Bishop means a bishop empowered to oversee other bishops. Till date, he is the Archbishop of Goa and always works hard for the betterment of the community. So this was the story of Archbishop of Goa and Daman, Father Filipe Neri Ferrão. If you are new on my channel, you can check my last video narrating John De Silva's journey from theats to Hindi daily soap.